Hello, everybody. My name is Larry Hernandez, and I'm the founder of RecruiterDNA. And I'm so excited to share with you that we are ready to start enrolling new students in the 2025 AI Recruiter Masterclass. Really quick, for those of you who don't know me, I've been doing this for 25 years. I've done staffing, RPO, contracting, consulting. I've been a lead. I've been a manager. I have my own recruiting firm now. And as I started learning ChatGPT, I got fascinated with it and quickly saw that this was going to change how we do everything. Keep in mind, I've been doing this for 25 years. So I just started out of college when we weren't using internet yet. And I was there before mobile phones and before social media. And I've seen these things change how we do things. And I know for a fact, and I'm doing it now, I know that generative AI tools like ChatGPT are totally going to change how we do things. So I've created a course a year and a half ago, one of the first people to create this course. And through running hundreds of students, doing live workshops and speaking live and coaching professional recruiters from all over the world that do different things, I have refined that course, changed the format to make it more transformative and hands-on versus more academic. And also, technology has changed. Some of the things that we covered in the last course aren't applicable now because there's new updates. ChatGPT has rolled out projects, Canvas, they've rolled out search, they've just rolled out tasks, and there are new ways to use these tools. And every time the model comes out, it gets better. So you're going to get the fundamentals of how to use these tools. Now, some of the things I think you're going to love are, I'm going to go through these quick. There's 9 of them. Number 1, I'm going to show you how to set up ChatGPT to source, recruit, and sell, right? We're going to teach you how to set up your projects, your custom instructions, and how to just get working. Number 2, I'm going to teach you how to clone your writing style or your company's writing style, or maybe a writing style of someone you admire. Maybe English isn't your first language. Maybe this is your first job and you're not familiar with all the corporate speak, but I'm going to show you how I do it. And then you're going to do it. So at the end of that lecture, you're going to have a set of custom instructions that you can paste into ChatGPT whenever you want, that it'll sound more like you. That's really cool. Number 3, I'm going to share with you the prompt framework that a very smart woman, she used to win a prompt engineering contest, and she was lucky enough to share it. So you're going to get from ChatGPT 4.0 and under, you're going to get the best way to format your questions. And I'm going to explain why. We're going to go through it together. I'm going to give you a free tool to use, and then we're going to practice actually in the lecture. Number 4, some of my returning students or intermediate to advanced students are like, I want to build custom GPTs. You may not know what a custom GPT is, not a problem, but we cover that in the course, the different kinds, when to use it, when not. When do I use projects? When do I use custom GPTs? And we're going to build them for you. We're going to build out 2 custom GPTs together. The second half of the course is going to cover real world recruiting, right? So there's a lot of information. So from 6 to 16, it's really me going through the basic stages of recruiting, because no matter what you do, there are some basic stages we all go through. I'm going to show you how to use these ChatGPT and generative AI tools to have a system in place to help you save time. Up to 200% of your time can be saved in doing these things. So you can just get some of the administrative or some of the repetitive tasks out of the way, and then start using these tools to explore and to kind of grow as a professional. So that's important. Also, an industry first, that there's going to be an interactive onboarding form that you're going to share with me some things about yourself that are going to produce and generate a customized workbook that's going to be a lot more relevant to you, because it's going to know what country you're in, what region you're in. It's going to know, are you internal or external? You work for a staffing agency? Do you do sales? What are some things that you need to accomplish here in the next, 60, 30, 90 days? What are your experiences with ChatGPT? So this information I take, use AI, and you're going to get a customized workbook that you can follow along, and it's going to be really, really relevant. I think that's pretty cool. Inside of the lessons is a customized ChatGPT session that knows what lesson you're on, and it's already ready for you to press a button and to start the example, to start the exercise of that lecture, right? And what I found is by watching people take the course, they just don't know what to type or they don't know what to do. So I've kind of taken the headache away. And a lot of studies show that if you practice something, when you learn it, you get better retention and helps you understand it. So it's got the interactive piece. Number 8, you're going to have access to myself and the community of students, of past students and current students. Each lecture, I want you to know, I want to hear from you. What is it that you gained? What questions do you have? And all those will get answered. Plus, there's a bunch of bonus material. I give you all the tools that I use every day, like little mini courses. I give you the downloads. I give you the tips. I tell you why I use them. And then anything new that's coming will also be covered in the bonus tips. So it's a lot of information. I'm excited about it. I'll show you right here. Look how much information it has. Some of these sections only have 1 or 2 lessons. Some of them have more. I will have to cover a little bit of technology with you. A lot of you are not comfortable with that. That's okay. I'm going to make it real simple for you. I'm going to tell you why you need to learn it. If I'm telling it to you in the course, it's because you're going to need it down the road, right? So I'm not just going to, we're not going to go over, define this. It's not that kind of course. I'm going to tell you how these things work, and then we're going to experiment together. So the course goes live on next Tuesday. So there's an early bird special. I'm going to share the link. And then I've got 3 different levels. A basic level, I just need the course. Thank you. Right. And maybe you're on a budget. There's the certification where you can, you get everything I have and you get 1 private coaching session with me afterwards, just to make sure you understand everything. There's going to be some quizzes just to make sure you understand what's going on. Then you will get your certificate as a certified AI recruiting professional. And then for teams or really advanced people who know they're going to need some follow-up, there is the elite package where you're going to get more of my time. I'm going to help you build a custom GPT for you or your company, and you just get a little bit of extras there. So I'm going to give you the link. I'm going to give you a coupon code. And so you're going to get 15% off until Tuesday, and then the price goes back up. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I hope to see you in the training. Thanks.